Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine oil and oil filter in a 2006 Ford F-150 5.4 liter. Procedures will be similar for most F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, as well as other Ford models equipped with the 5.4 liter V8. But be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. If needed for clearance, chock the rear wheels. Then lift and support the front end with a jack and jack stands. Removing the oil fill cap will help the oil drain more quickly. Locate the oil drain plug and slide a drain pan underneath it. Use a 16mm socket and ratchet to loosen the drain plug. Then remove it the rest of the way with your fingers. Let the oil drain completely. Once the oil has drained, use a shop towel or rag to wipe down the oil pan and drain plug and reinstall the plug. Use your torque wrench to tighten the drain plug to 10 foot-pounds. Now move your drain pan under the oil filter and use a filter wrench to loosen it. Remove the filter by hand. Once any excess oil has drained from the housing, use a shop towel or rag to wipe the area down. Lubricate the O-ring on your new filter with some fresh oil and thread it into place. You can use your torque wrench with a filter attachment to tighten the filter to 12 foot-pounds, or tighten it 3/4 of a turn once it's seated against the housing. Now, if you haven't already, remove the oil fill cap. For this application, we'll add 7 quarts of 5W20 premium synthetic blend motor oil. Since our truck has over 75,000 miles, we're using Syntec full synthetic high mileage. Put the fill cap back on and use the dipstick to check the oil level. Start the engine and check for leaks. Once you're sure there aren't any leaks, turn the engine off and recheck the oil level. Top off the oil level if needed, but if everything looks good, remove the drain pan from under the front end. Shut the hood. If you raise the front end, you can lower it now and remove the wheel chocks. Now you can move to the cabin to reset the oil light. Turn the key in the ignition to the on position without starting the truck. Press the Select Reset button at the bottom of your speedometer until the display reads Hold Reset for Setup menu. Press and hold the Select/Reset button until you see the oil life percentage on display. Press and hold Select Reset again until the oil life percentage reads 100%. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.